Hey, we're going to distribute and collect like terms again. Here we have the expression 4x minus 5y, and that whole thing is times 3 plus 4y squared. So since this has four terms, a 2 by 2, we can use our FOIL, our first, outer, inner, last method. We could use a distributive property as well, but FOIL is a way to distribute if you have a 2 by 2. So what do we have? We have first being 4x times 3, so that'll give me 12x. Outer would be 4x times 4y squared, so that'll be 16xy squared. Inner will be negative 5y times 3, so minus 15y. And then last will be negative 5y times 4y squared, so that'll be minus 20xy cubed. So I don't think we have any common terms in here, so this is where we end up. Thank you.